I find it somewhat annoying that if I see a video ad on YouTube, I can't save it. I'm always saving ads, headlines, sales copy. It gives me ideas for when I want to create my own ads. So if you're like me and you want to know how to save a YouTube video ad, I'll show you. Here's an ad. And say I wanted to save this. There's absolutely no way to save this on YouTube. You can save normal videos in playlists and that, but not ads. Well, here's how you do it. If I right click and then click on copy debug info, and then I jump over to this website, the ad leg website, and then I just paste in the code. There we go. Down here, there's a link to the ad. You can now save that link so you can review the ad later. But can you actually download the video? Download it to your local computer instead of just saving the link? Well, yes you can. But before I show you how to do that, if you're getting value from this, hit the subscribe button. Maybe even give the video a like. If I want to download a YouTube video, I use a program called Parallels Toolbox. And it allows me to download YouTube videos and other videos. And it's also got a ton of other utility tools too. And it's cheap. And I'll put a link to that below. Now there are sites on the interwebs where you can paste the YouTube URL and then download the video for free. Put a word of warning here. A lot of these sites, the sites that allow you to paste in the YouTube URL and then download the actual video, quite a few of these sites, shall we say, they have very aggressive ads. Some of which could be considered to be questionable software to like clean your computer, that kind of thing. You've got to be really careful about the kind of stuff you download. Now, of course, I'm not saying they all do this. I'm just saying I've seen some. So I'm not going to be putting my name to any. I don't want people blaming me because they've got some virus or something. You need to do your own due diligence if you want to download the video via the internet. Just be careful. Well, there you go. A real quick video, but hopefully a helpful video. Until next time, bye for now.